Welcome to trip tracking system. This trip tracking system will be helpful when a supplier sends a raw material to a developer for the construction, and we will see a real problem and how our solution solves the problem. Ganesh Suppliers, who is having a supply of raw material business from crusher or supplier and sends to developer at the construction site. Now we will see a typical business model which is very regular in the market. Ganesh hires trucks on a rent or lease basis. Ganesh suppliers hires trucks on a rent or lease basis. He contacts construction developers and takes the order of the raw materials that are used for a construction of a site. He then sends his trucks to a supplier who supplies this raw material, and he purchases from them, and a driver of the truck picks the raw material and he directly delivers at the construction site. This is a normal delivery model which looks very simple, and the Ganesh supplier earns some commission in between from the supplier he purchases and he delivers to a construction site. He earns a commission on the basis. Then it looks simple, but there is no complexity. Then what is the need of a solution? Now we will look at the problems. Mostly Ganesh Supplies takes orders over the phone, and the construction developer says over the phone, you supply the material and we will pay you after 15 days or a 1 month or a 1 week. And we as a human beings, it is very difficult to track how many trips went on a day or a week or even a month, and it is also very difficult to remember who paid and whose payment is pending, etc. Due to this, there are many such cases incurring losses of payments, and people might have forgotten to pay the bills. Now we'll look at a real world example. Let's say one lorry is equal to 25 tons. Approximately, I am taking an example. 1 ton of robo sand is coming for rupees 1000 rupees in this current date of recording of this video. 25 into 1000, 25,000 of robo sand sent to developer site from a purchase from a supplier. Ganesh suppliers paid amount to suppliers, but after 15 days he forgets one transaction, one trip that made to the construction site. 25,000 for just one trip Ganesh suppliers loses. Think about how many trips a Ganesh suppliers makes and how many they might have missed it. This is a huge loss. Sometimes they might not have realized that there is a loss happened, and by end of the year they will figure it out why this happened, and by the time is over. See how Ganesh suppliers can use best of the software to track his daily trip tracking system and supplies payments. This is the dashboard where he can see what are the today's trips and how much payment they have made, how much amount they have received from their customers. This payment is towards crusher or suppliers, and this is the SMS balance, and how much is left exactly in the cash and what is the amount lies in the bank account of Krishna Kumar Reddy. We will come to this dashboard. We will look at the features. Ganesh suppliers can track their daily trips like this, and they can capture daily trips. They can track the payments made to a crusher or a supplier from whom they have purchased the raw material. This is the receipts from the customer from to whom they have made raw material delivered. They can generate invoice from here itself. This is a GST enabled invoice they can generate. This is customer and material. Most of the developers are having 2 to 3 sites, and it is very easy to have a system where customers and materials which they regularly purchase. A customer can have more than one area or a site. It can also be tracked. Who are Ganesh suppliers customers, and who are crushers and who are Ganesh suppliers who send raw materials to them. And we can see the materials listing. You can keep all materials listed over here. You can also track the kiraya, the cost or the transport cost area wise. You can fix that. So later it is helpful. In the upcoming videos we will explain each feature one by one, otherwise this video will be a very long. You can also maintain the accounts and the bank accounts uh, while payments, and this we will use these accounts. You can also track the vehicles with the vehicles numbers. You can also track the drivers and their phone numbers, what are the payment modes you accept, and also the what is the payment type which your customers which do regularly, maybe 15 days payments, 1 month payment. This will helpful for sending payment reminders on the dashboard. You can see there is a daily today trip reminders where you can set the trip reminder, so that on that day you can be you know that there is a payment reminder or a trip reminder which you needs to be done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, please contact Jason Soft or write back to us info@jssoft.com or call us at 9949569688.